Hey future RCDDs. If you're watching this video, chances are you're not a beginner. You've been grinding through the TDMM, practicing, reviewing, and now you're in the final stretch. This is the expert level RCDD exam guide, a no-fluff, 5-step plan to help you finish strong, lock in your knowledge, and walk into that exam room 100% ready. Step 1, Final Review Plan, Strategic Compression. At this point, you shouldn't be reading full chapters. You need to switch gears and go into review mode. Set up a 10 to 14-day plan focused only on high-yield chapters, known weak spots, flashcard and summary review. Shrink big ideas into quick recall notes. This is about precision, not volume. Step 2, Full-length mock exams, analyze everything. You should be doing full-length timed practice tests at least twice a week. But here's the trick, don't just take them. Dissect them. Track every missed question. Identify your slow zones. Spot patterns in your errors. This turns every wrong answer into a learning moment. Step 3, Master the TDMM index and glossary. At the expert level, it's not just about what you know, it's about how fast you can find it. Practice navigating the TDMM with speed and accuracy. Use the index like a GPS. Know the glossary inside out. Mark tabs, but rely on recall first. The exam is open book, but don't waste time flipping aimlessly. Step 4, Train your brain, mental endurance matters. This part gets overlooked. Exam day is long. Mental stamina matters. Here's how to train like a pro. Do mock exams at the same time as your test. Sit through them without breaks. Practice pacing, don't burn out early. Also, get your sleep, hydrate, stretch. Your brain performs better when your body's prepped. Step 5, the 72-hour rule, final countdown. Alright, your final 72 hours before the exam? Don't panic. Don't cram. This is the mental lock-in phase. Review flashcards. Skim your mistake log. Final run-through of key standards. Clean and prep your TDMM. Rest, relax, and visualize success. You're not learning anything new, you're sealing the deal. If you've made it this far, you are absolutely ready to pass the RCDD. You've put in the work, now it's about execution. Follow these 5 expert steps. Trust your prep. And go crush that exam. Like, subscribe, and comment if you're on the expert track. I'm cheering for you.